Baking cakes. Abby finds a violet box. There are some baking tools.
Let's make cakes together.
Benny calls Casey. Casey comes over and Abby opens the door. They mix the eggs, flour, sugar, and milk. There is milk and sugar on Casey's palms. Casey licks his palm.
Don't lick your palms.
Casey cleans his palms. The cakes turn golden. They put cream on the cakes. Abby puts a strawberry on her cake. Benny puts light blue sweets on his cake. Casey puts orange sweets on his cake. Wow! The cakes look yummy!